Hey there fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into a powerful trading strategy using TradingView's advanced tools. So grab your notebooks, because you're about to learn how to conquer the markets with the Donchian Channel, an exponential moving average and ADX indicators. Let's get started. Alright, now let's hop over to TradingView and set things up. Choose your trading pair and time frame. For this example, we're using the 4-hour chart and Euros pair. Click on Indicators and add the Donchian Channel, the EMA, and the ADX. Now, let's make some changes on it. Click on Settings of the EMA and then on Tab Style and change the color to yellow. Now click on Inputs and change the length to 100. For the Donchian Channel we will use the default settings. Finally, on ADX indicator click on Tab Style and uncheck plus DI and DI. Now, our chart is ready. Identifying buy signals. Alright, let's spot a potential buying opportunity. First, check if the current price is above the EMA. Wait till Donchian Channel makes a bullish breakout. Finally, the slope of the ADX indicator should point upwards. It is not necessary that the ADX is higher than the key level 23. When all these conditions align, you've got yourself a green light for a potential buy. Remember, no strategy is bulletproof. Protect your investments with proper risk management techniques. For this strategy we will place our stop loss order at the lowest band of the Donchian Channel. The take profit order will be placed at 2 times the risk. Now let's see how our trade runs. Recognizing sell signals. And now, let's see how we spot a potential selling opportunity. Make sure the current price is below the EMA. Wait for a bearish breakout in the Donchian Channel. Finally, if ADX points upwards, we have a potential setup for a short position. It is not necessary that the ADX is higher than the key level 23. For a short position we will place our stop loss order at the highest band of the Donchian Channel. The take profit order will be placed at 2 times the risk. Now let's see how our trade runs. There you have it traders. A powerful strategy using the Donchian Channel, EMA, and ADX indicators on TradingView. Make sure to backtest and refine your strategy before going live. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.